How's it going, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a locked folder on Google Photos. So first of all, obviously we need to head over to Google Photos, and from there what you can do now is you can select all of the photos, videos, etc. that you want to enter into a locked folder. So if I just click and hold down on one of these photos right here and then select as many as I like, what I can do then is I can scroll along the bottom bar there. So if I scroll all the way to the right, as you will notice, there is an option now to move to locked folder. If we click on this, it might ask you then to obviously enter in your PIN or your fingerprint, whatever you use on your phone. Once we have done this, we can simply click on continue, and then once we click on to continue, you will get this little pop-up box which will ask you if you're happy to move these 5 items or however many you are moving. So click on move if you're happy to move them, click on move and then click on allow. And then as you will notice, they will then be moved to a locked folder.